akin lang, pero siya na agad. So, ito po yung prize.
Papuntayin niyo muna. Dren!
Okay, so punta po dito.
Congratulations!
Naka-video.
Congratulations for the winners of the face of the night. Si Asher and si Charmaine. Any volunteer who would like to greet our birthday celebrant?
Koy, gusto mo nalo yun?
Any volunteer who would like to greet our birthday celebrant? Coming from the stable. Sino po gusto mag-greet? Ako na lang po lalapit.
Greet nyo na si Tito Dren nyo. Wala yan,
So,
kailangan yung
magbibigay
magkasama.
na po ba tayo?
Kasama yung pangalan sa isang papel. Greet mo na doon si Tito Dren.
To our
Greet mo na.
for the baby shower.
Greet nyo.
Oh, sige, ikaw na.
Bibili na tayo. Bibili na tayo. Bakit price natin?
Happy birthday na rin. Or birthday ko. Thank you very much, Kuya. Let's table naman our Dren and our Adelan for the baby shower. Thank you very much, Kuya. Sorry, this table naman. Gusto po ba mag-greet? May happy birthday to Dren. Siyempre kay Ate Len for her baby. Ate?
Ayaw marap kanina. Face off na na. Ikaw na.
Grabe, napaka-excited sinabi niya. Reaction. Sabihin mo muna to. May gusto ko ba mag-greet ni Happy birthday for Dren and for Ate Len?
Thanks sa bench. Happy birthday, Dren.
Nag-thank you siya sa mga sponsor. Okay, so dahil yung friend naman ng family Paxson, anyone who can greet Dren, Mommy, can you have some few messages for our birthday celebrant and of course, ating Ate Len or sa mga baby shower. Sige, Mami, tapusin mo muna. I'm sorry to disturb you, Mami.
Dren, happy birthday. Para kay Len, congratulations for your baby. And it is a prayer na maging healthy at sa kanyang paglabas at ang pagpapala ng Panginoon ng mga sa iyo. Dren and
Thank you very much, Matt, for that very wonderful message. From this table, sino gusto mag-greet? May happy birthday for Dren. And more? Mabuti. Ate Len naman, nag-aaral mabuti sa dating. Mamaya, get to Thank you very much, Ate, from this table. Ikaw na po, ato na Ate. Sige. Take this opportunity.
Dren, happy birthday. Oh, hindi nakating si baby, pero representative. Happy birthday siya kay Len. Sana sana maging safe yung delivery ng baby and maging healthy. More blessings.
Thank you, ate. Siyempre, on behalf of Granado Familias, or rather, on behalf of a good friend of Tren, as I represent the Familia Granadas, and the Segovia Familias, the clan of Tren, we would like to take this opportunity to say happy birthday and to Ate Len for your baby shower. All we want is a good girl, baby girl. Lahat ng intensyon natin dito is for good para sa kanilang dalawang magkapatid. And I would like also to take this opportunity para mag-thank kay God for giving me Dren as my friend. And Ate Len for my new fan friend. Ate Doreen, thank you very much for inviting me here tonight. And guys, I hope everyone are enjoying right now. Wait, may nakalimutan ako, a good friend of Dren also. Si Aster, our face of the night.
Ayun, kapatid, happy birthday. Sabi pala ni Michael, happy birthday to them. God bless.
Thank you very much. And of course, si Lynn Shore, United singer for tonight.
Happy birthday to Malabas. Yun na, happy birthday, more blessings.
Thank you very much.